Hi guys, today I'll unbox the new Sony lens for my A7S. Okay, so what I have here is the new wide angle lens 16 to 35 f4 FE, which stands for full frame. So this is the new lens from Sony to cater for the wide angle lens, which is the equivalent of this Canon 16 to 35. However, this is f2.8 and this one is f4, which is no problem for landscape, because most of the time you don't need the fast aperture, because you know we are doing slow shutter and usually on tripod. So let's see what's inside. So you get this paperwork and more paperwork, and then the lens. So it includes a pouch. It has something like warranty. Okay, so I bought this here in New Zealand. Alright. Okay, the lens. Okay. Wow, beautiful. It's pretty. Not too bad. It's quite heavy though, compared to my 35mm. It's short. It's beautiful, and the E-mount. Lovely. Okay, so it does come with the lens hood. Beautiful. So right guys, let's have a closer look at the lens. The build quality is really nice. It's made of high quality materials, and it feels like it's weather sealed. I put the lens protector to protect my glass element, and it's spherical. This is to minimize the distortion. So okay, let's try and attach this to my A7S body for the first time. So I'm going to remove this wonderful 35mm prime, which is really sharp and it's focused really fast. I love that lens. And let's gonna try this new one and see what it can do for us. So there you go. It's beautiful and it's not too bulky. Still very good. The weight is still manageable. Pretty like this. Feels good in the hand. So maybe we can try a few shots. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's focused real fast. Zooms pretty smoothly. Excellent. Okay, so let's try to attach the lens hood.
Okay, so the only thing with the lens is it doesn't have the manual focus override button, and it doesn't have the focus indicator, unlike my Canon. But since my camera has zebra and focus peaking, I should be alright. As you can see here, I can attach the lens cap. Even the lens has the hood and the filter. It still fits well. Alright, so I love this camera. It's pretty cool. Okay guys, so right now I'm in the field and testing this new lens. So I put on a circular polarizer and lens protector on. And see, that's the scene in front of me right now. I took a shot of that, and you can see in the live preview, that's the result, unedited. The color is fantastic, and the sharpness is incredible. Okay, so why not, let's have a look at the details. I'll zoom the photo so you can see the sharpness of the lens. It's pretty incredible. I really love this. It's awesome, man. You should buy one.